tell you a little bit about the Porsche Cayenne. Porsche Cayenne, what's the problem with Porsche Cayenne? Just by the time, let me put the seatbelt for a second. That's the noise here. The seatbelt. Sorry about the seatbelt. What's happened with the Porsche Cayenne? The problem with the transfer case, sometime when I do the video, because I speak Spanish, I speak 4 languages, sometimes I say things that's not. Like yesterday I was watching the video, I said about the washer, the spring washer, I say disc, so I'm sorry about that, so you will get confused. Now, I'll tell you about the Porsche Cayenne, and the problems here always in the transfer case. Transfer case, they have a chain. In that chain, they get by the time it stretch, and what's happened? When stretch, it start the front wheel. It got more speed than the back wheels, and it start to run funny and make noise, and the end will burn the clutch, the discs inside the transfer case. So this is what's happened. Sorry, I didn't give you the video on detail, but the most of it I show you what's the important things, but the rest of it in the chain is easy to put on. Now it's running. I'm trying it this morning. Yesterday I finished it. Running perfect. So and always make sure always you have a level oil check every second oil change, third oil change. Always check the differential oil and transfer case oil. Sometime will get dry from oil, but it's not leaking. So you'll say, okay, why? How the oil goes? You see what's happened? Those transfer case, they run hot when you drive on the highway. If you drive long distance, they go very, very hot, and they have a breather in the top. They start to evaporate the oil, and always keep gunk of grease inside. So make sure always every 3-4 oil changes a small screw. Tell the guys to check the oil level. You will be on the safe side. But the chain every 50,000, 80,000, depend the way you drive the vehicle, the way the vehicle if it goes a lot off road, or you go a mountain, the chain will get stretched. But if you drive normal, you won't have any problem. So thank you, and please give me thumbs up and subscribe. I hope this video will be a help, and I promise you next videos I will get more professional. So professional filming. I don't know how to film. I'm not the type of guy who always get the camera and film. Thank you very much. Ciao. We have another Porsche Cayenne 2015. This one have a problem with the differential. When you start accelerate, it make a noise, and the differential also when you turn make noise. I'm going to show you step by step how we doing it. We're taking now the differential out, and we'll show you how to tell you what's the problem. This is from Porsche Car Service Barranquilla. This is I'm doing the engine. It's a Range Rover. I'm doing the engine. When I finish it, I will show it to you. This is an M3 there. I'm doing the engine. Also, I'm waiting for the coronavirus. I didn't get the parts yet. This is the Range Rover Evoque. I'm doing the engine also. That I will waiting also for the parts. I just did the cylinder head, we did the pistons, we did everything. I put it back together. So I'm waiting now for the parts for it so I can finish it and have it ready. This is here, Range Rover. I had a problem with the timing. I fixed it. They have a problem with the electrical problem. It's been done. This is another Audi Q5 here. They brought it for me from another shop. They brought it very old, apart, like with the engine is not there. They had a problem. This is the way I got it. This is the way I got it now. Right now I have to check what's wrong with it, why they did that, and go from there. It's not easy, but when it comes a car from a shop, this is difficult. Not difficult for me to put it together, but difficult, maybe missing parts. The customer doesn't know. It's a problem. So normally when we take it apart and we put it back together, we know, we organize all the bolts or everything. But in this situation, it's difficult. This is an ambulance here. We paint it. We're going to put it together, and we are going to give it away. We have another ambulance outside that's been done. That's right there in the front also. We have two Toyota Prado. Also, it's ready to go. This is for a company here, for a gas for a gas company here. That's going to be finished. I have other cars here also that's done. We have another Renault inside that have a paint problem, or painting had a little accident. And here we have a problem with the fuel pump. A Renault Duster. We're going to put the fuel pump in it. This one there, I'm doing the transmission. The other one there is from battery. Here we have the differential for the Porsche 2015 Porsche Cayenne. Here inside this they have discs. They were burned. We changed it. We took this off and we took everything. Now we put the discs and now we're putting it together. This is not the differential, sorry. The 4x4 box. This is what activates the 4x4. This is the disc between the front transmission shaft and the rear transmission shaft. Hello, here we put in the disc together, okay, to show you. The disc can get in anywhere you want, doesn't matter. Okay. Here those discs in metal, they get in plates, disc plate, until the thick one go in the end. Then we put it in, okay? And then those discs here, is very important because it's confusing. This one's here, look how they go. Two bottom, two middle, and one separately, okay? This one, the long one go down, and this one go up. We put it again. Two up, again. See? Two up, two in the middle, and one down. Okay? And then up and go up. Together. These go here. Okay, here after we put this piece with the bearings, this would go like this. Over here, we'll put the 3 ball here. Then this piece with the bearings would go up and this one down to sit here. This have to be on this side. This one is a washer here. You put the bearing on top of the washer. And this one will go like this. The washer, then go this piece like that. Then this washer will go down like this. Lo puedes probar.
we press it down, we put this inside. Okay? Now it's perfect. This is the way it works. We change this with the burn, and now we put the Porsche Cayenne 2015. Okay. This part here is to get the oil to the chain. Okay, you put it, and then you put it over there. Normally we take the whole case, transfer case down. This is the way we bring it off, and so we go the way we're going to put it. Okay, and then we're going to put everything